When it comes to menopause symptoms, mindset matters. Look at it as a natural part of aging and something to celebrate. Make it fun, make it a journey, make it yours. I don't know what else to say.
Yeah, no, it's good.
As you're going through perimenopause or after 12 months without a period and you're officially in menopause, you're likely gonna have some symptoms. And everyone thinks, hot flashes. Get a fan, right? There's a lot more you can do to help protect your health and make yourself feel better. So what happens when your estrogen goes down is your cortisol levels tend to go up. So you might be feeling more anxious than usual, or your mood might be a little down or depressed. And the best thing you can do for that is to exercise. Practice mindfulness, do things like yoga, meditation, even breathing exercises can really help get those cortisol levels back down and get you back to feeling yourself. Regular exercise also can help you battle the excess weight gain that can happen along with menopause. And it helps protect your bones and your heart. So it has multiple benefits, way better than a fan, right? The other thing you can do is pay attention to your diet. If you're eating a lot of processed foods, a lot of sugars, not only is that gonna make you more likely to gain weight, but it affects your mood. It can cause fluctuations in your blood sugar and make you feel kind of jittery or really down as well. So keeping a really level blood sugar with fibrous fruits, complex carbs like whole grains and oats. These are all things that can keep your blood sugar stable and help you feel better. Some people also turn to foods that contain phytoestrogens, and these are things like yams and soybeans. The studies are mixed as to whether these foods actually benefit your symptoms, but a lot of them contain fiber and complex carbohydrates that are good for you anyway. But keep in mind that phytoestrogens aren't appropriate for everyone, so you should talk to your doctor first before you load up on them in your diet. I think that flowed better. I get there eventually.